Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Alia Grace Biscocha from BSN 1-9, and today I will be assessing the breast and axillary. So the first step is I will first verify the physician's order. Next is I will gather the equipment that I will be needing. Next is I will introduce myself and verify my client's identity. So, ma'am, good afternoon. My name is Aliyah, your student nurse for today. May I verify your identity po? May I know your name, age, and birth date?
I am Eliza Di Mapilis, 21 years old, and September 6, 2000 po.
Okay po, thank you. Next is I will explain the procedure that I will be doing to my client. So, ma'am, I will be assessing your breast and axillary. And for me to be able to do that po, I will touching some certain parts po of your body. Is it okay with you?
Okay po.
Okay, note ko lang din po, ma'am, that the assessment and findings that will be done here will remain confidential. Next is, I will wash my hands and provide privacy na. So, we can now proceed to inspecting the breast pa. So, first is, I will inspect the size and symmetry of the breast. Okay. Next is, I will inspect the color and texture of the breast. And, okay, touch ko lang po, ma'am. Check ko lang po. Okay, so there are no signs of cyanosis and jaundice. The texture is smooth. Next is, I will inspect for superficial venous patterns. Okay, so, wala naman pong mga sobrang nag-show ng venous patterns. And next is for the retraction and dimpling. Next is, I will inspect for bilateral, noting the color, size, and shape of the areolas. So, check ako. Okay. So, for next naman po is, I will proceed na po in palpating the breast po. So, palpate lang po ako ng ating texture. Okay. So, soft naman po yung breast. Next po is, I palpate for tenderness and temperature. So, ma'am, masakit po ba while palpate? Okay, so there is no signs of tenderness. And the temperature is normal naman po, hindi po siya sobrang init. And next is, I will palpate for the masses, routing the location, size in and centimeters. Okay, so wala naman po ako na-feel na masses or bukol. Next naman po is, I will palpate the nipples by compressing it with my index finger and thumb. So, assuming na lang po na I am palpating the nipples of my patient for discharge. Hindi naman po kayo lactating, ma'am. Okay, discharge and any signs of abnormal liquid po. Next naman po is, I will palpate na po for mastectomy site po. So, wala naman po ako wala rin po akong nakitang lesions and cuts. So, next naman po, we can now proceed na po sa ating axillary. Pero, hand hygiene po muna. So, ma'am, sige, taas lang po natin ito. So, wala naman po ako nakikitang rashes. Next is, I will hold the elbow and palpate for the axillary lymph nodes using my 3 fingers. Okay. Okay, wala naman po akong nakitang enlargement ng ating lymph nodes. Next is, I will palpate high into the axillary by moving downward against the ribs to the central nodes. So, sige, taas po tayo. Taas na. Minalfit po ba tayo masakit? So, wala naman din pa ako na-feel na enlargement ng ating central nodes. Next is the bilingual palpation po to feel for the anterior axillary nodes. So, dito. So, last na po na palpation is sa ating anterior part po. So, wala naman pong na-feel na enlargement ng ating lymph nodes. And, next po is I will perform a hand hygiene again and document my findings. So, thank you po ma'am for your cooperation. If may question pa po kayo, pwede po kayo mag-ask sa akin and to the, sa i-recommend ko po sa inyo na physician. Thank you po.